Hey guys, Hector here. Gonna do another install. So today I'm going to change the front grille emblem, infiniti emblem, with this one. And this one's a little different because it lights up. Similar to how the Mercedes-Benz emblem lights up. It's an optional feature on some new Benz. I'm going to install it, and I want to know what you guys think about it after you see it on my car. I'm excited about this one. I'm going to show you step by step how I did it. Feel free to comment. If you like the video and the other videos, subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to access this, and I don't want to damage it because I'm not sold on the lighted emblem look. So I'm going to start by taking all these apart off to be able to access this chrome grille right here. All right, now that I unscrewed and unclipped here, there's 5 bolts here that you need to remove, 10mm. And once you're done with that, then when you pry this open, there's this one hidden here and this one hidden here. So make sure to take those off before you rip and break this off. So, as you can see, this is held in by a clip. So I'm gonna undo the clip and take off the emblem. All right, you'll see the factory emblem is off. Now it's time to install the LED emblem. Notice some key features. Same size, however, this one has the background blacked out and this one has it all chromed. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so there's the lighted LED installed. Now it's in place, but it's not connected yet. You see the wires there. So what I want to do is I want to connect it to the parking light connection. I want to pigtail off that, or I could do the fog light, which I have them turn on automatically when the headlights turn on. But I want to make sure that that emblem always gets lighted when the headlights or parking lights are on. So I want to tap into that. So what I'm going to do is, to access the connector, is I am going to remove this here by unbolting that to be able to slide my hand in and disconnect the plug for the parking light. All right, guys, so I was able to get it out by also loosening and removing this bracket here that goes to hold one of the air filters into the engine. So here is the parking light. Now this twists on, and I'm gonna worry about putting it back on later. I'm not gonna worry about that now. What I'm focused on is trying to tap into the wires in the back to connect the emblem. All right, so I'm back, and I had to use I believe it's called a T-tap to tap into the green white wire, not the green black wire. This also doubles as your turn signal, but it stays lit when your hazards or your turn signal are on. The white one is the ground. For the ground, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to this right here. I'm going to show you right now how the emblem looks lit using, again, the green white wire. So I'll walk over here, turn on the parking light. So that's lit, that's off because the ground is not connected. So the minute there we go. Right. Trying to do it with my left hand here, let me do it with my right. There you go. So let me zip tie that T-tap, put some electrical tape on it, put everything back, and we'll see it at night. So I want to show you guys before I put everything back. I zip tied it to this right here, an ant right there. Zip tied it to here. Again, these are some aftermarket horns, loud, directional. Zip tied it to this. The light is in place. Now I'm just gonna put all the covers back. Gonna put this bracket back, this back, and take it out. Show it to you at night. Alright guys, so I'm gonna remote start the car so you can see how the emblem, LED emblem looks at night. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, please. Give it a thumbs up. Be doing more videos like this on installs. Let me know what you guys think of the emblem. I don't know how I feel about it. So is it nice or is it not? All right, thanks.